Hi, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making stir-fried eggs with green peppers. Look at these, golden eggs, crisp peppers. Simple, but just right. I've got one twisted green pepper here, about 105 grams. I'm using the spicy kind, 螺丝椒, but if you don't like heat, feel free to use the milder peppers. You can cut them however you like. Slices, chunks, whatever. I'm just going with a diagonal cut, nothing too precise. Grab a clean bowl, crack in 3 eggs. Then I'm adding 2 tablespoons of water mixed with potato starch. It makes the eggs turn out softer and silkier. Whisk it up till it's nice and smooth. Add a teaspoon of salt. Stir again real quick, and we are all set. Let's start cooking. By the way, all the ingredients and measurements are right in the description. You can find them there if you need. Okay, heat on. We are starting with a dry wok. No oil, no water. Toss in the green peppers, and let's dry fry them over medium heat. Add a teaspoon of salt so the peppers soak up some flavor. Trust me, don't skip this step. A lot of people wonder why their stir-fried peppers are taste bland. This is the trick. See that? A little smoky, slightly blistered. That's the look we want. Now, straight into the egg mixture. Toss them in, and then sprinkle in a teaspoon of white pepper. Takes away the eggy smell and adds a nice kick. Stir it all together gently. We are ready to fry. Heat some oil in the wok. Pour in the egg and the pepper mixture. Let it sit for a few seconds to set. Then gently push from the sides. This helps it look evenly. Once the bottom is set, flip it over. Golden on one side, and now let's do another. Both sides looks golden. The eggs are just firm enough. Not too soft, not overcooked either. And those peppers? Slightly charred, still holding a bit of crunch. Just right. Perfect. Now, give it a quick stir to break things up a bit. And we are done. The best texture for this dish, the eggs should be set with just a light golden rust. Not too runny, but definitely not overcooked. And the peppers? They've lost that raw bite, but still stay crisp when you chew. Let me try a bite. Green peppers and eggs are a match made in heaven. And this dish, it's on almost every Chinese family's table. North or south, it doesn't matter. It's simple, satisfying, and it goes so well with plain white rice. Go and give it a try. You will be surprised how something this basic can be so good. Thanks for watching. See you next time.